Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a broccoli and cauliflower bake. So let's start cooking. So I've cleaned and washed one medium and one medium. So I've cleaned and washed a medium cauliflower and a medium broccoli, and I've cut them up into their florets. I washed them in some salt water, and then I am going to steam them in a double boiler. You could do this in the microwave, but you don't want it to overcook. So I've got about 3 cups of water that has come to a boil. I'm just going to steam the broccoli in this. Just going to put the broccoli in here, creating a double boiler, and cover this with the lid. I don't want this to be too soft. We just want to be able to put the knife through and still having a firm veg. Like I said, you can do this in the microwave. It will take about 3 minutes, but it's also very easy to overcook. So we're just going to let this boil. It's going to take about 5 minutes. So this has been cooking for exactly 7 minutes. It is cooked now. It is still firm. You don't want it to get too soft. So at this point I'm going to switch off the stove, and we're going to put this into our oven-proof casserole bowl. And then now we're going to make our white sauce. So these are the ingredients to make our bechamel sauce. 2 heap teaspoons of butter, and no compromising, butter will make a difference. 2 heap teaspoons of maizena, but you can use cake flour if you don't have. Then I've got some black pepper, nutmeg, salt, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of Gouda cheese. I've just kept some extra milk just in case the sauce is a bit thick, so you might use more or less. So let's start making our sauce. So I've got my flame on medium, just using a small pot. Just going to add the butter. Just going to get all this in there. Going to give this a mix. Going to add our maizena. This is 2 tablespoons, sorry. Going to turn the heat down a bit. Just going to mix this. Then it forms a roll. So at this point I'm going to be adding the milk. I'm using full cream milk today, and this is 2 cups. So you could, I'm just going to turn up the heat. You could use hot milk just to speed up the process, but I didn't get a chance to do that, so we're going to wait for this to thicken up now. So you have to continue mixing to avoid any lumps. So the sauce is starting to thicken now. I think we're going to need a little bit more. Just going to be adding black pepper, the nutmeg, a little bit of salt because the cheese is quite salty, and then this is 1 cup of Gouda cheese. Just going to give this a mix. going to be adding a little bit more milk. The cheese is also going to thicken this. A little bit more. So as you can see, our sauce is nice and thick, and we're ready to assemble our casserole dish for baking now. I'm just going to put everything together. So we're ready to assemble our dish to bake. Just going to pour all the sauce over. Spread this about. I've got about 1 cup of Gouda cheese. Just going to sprinkle it all over. We've already got cheese in the sauce, so we don't want it to be too rich. This can be served with a chicken or fish dish as a side. I'm adding some breadcrumbs for texture, but this is optional. You don't have to use breadcrumbs. And I'm using tomatoes, but again, this is optional. Maybe you don't like tomatoes. So I'm just going to season the tomatoes a little. Some black pepper. And I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes on 180 degrees in the oven. So our broccoli bake and cauliflower bake is now ready. We're ready to serve. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Keep subscribing and sharing. And until our next video, take care, bye.